How's everybody doing? My name is Kurt Friedrich, and welcome to episode 7 of TNT Stocks. Today's actual date is April 27th, 2025. Recording this late on this Sunday evening after another crazy week in the stock market. The simulated date is going to be July 1st of 2025. The criteria for these videos is we post one video per week. We'll simulate 1 month. I will create videos when available at home, not while traveling on Army Reserve duty or vacations. Any week with a missed video will not be considered a simulated month. Basically, that means if so we're in July, simulated July. If I don't do a video next week for some reason, the following week will pick up in August and not the following month. Each video will simulate loading $100 to the TNT Stocks account. Stocks will be under a live 1 month probation time unless a selling exception is made. We'll get into that here in a little bit. All stocks bought or sold in the simulation are actual companies with their actual end of week closing stock prices. This month we bought 3 stocks at the price range of $2 to $50. Let us see what $100 per video would look like over time. Disclaimer, these videos are for entertainment purposes only. I am not qualified or certified to give professional investment advice. Day trading has high risks involved. Any gain or loss is at a personal risk. And if anybody's been watching the stock market over the past 6 weeks, more than 6 weeks, 7 weeks, 8 weeks, however long it's been, there has been definitely a lot of high risk involved, which will be illustrated in the upcoming graphs. Past performances do not guarantee success in future stock purchases. It is highly recommended that you do your own due diligence when it comes to deciding which stock you will purchase. All right, so here is our current portfolio. You will see here at the bottom the stocks that have just been bought. Not Offshore Partners LP, 7 shares at $6.50. Splash Beverage Group Incorporated, 8 shares at $6.04. Callan JMB Incorporated, 8 shares at $5.62. And since the last video, we have not sold any stocks. Our top money maker right now is Next Decade Corporation. You see here we have made, if we sold it Friday, we would have made $26.74. So you see this one is doing really well. Our highest money loser has been Teladoc Health Incorporated. If we were to have sold that stock today, we would have lost $70.43. And then over here on the right, I did just add in percentages for those who know a lot of people looking at the stock market with gains and losses like to look at the percentages. You see there are some pretty high percentages here, but I feel like videos are going to be more geared to your newer players in the stock market. And if you're like me, I like to see the dollar signs. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at our over-under. Now this one I do illustrate as a percentage. Let's go back here. The amount was, if we sold everything that we had in our portfolio on Friday, we would have a loss of $58.73, and that equates to negative 10.93%. But as you see here, as I talked about, it's been pretty crazy over the past several months. It went down to as low as 23%, then the 15%, and now up to 10%. So we are finally heading in the right direction. Let's hope we continue to head in the right direction. Income, no serious change here, again, because we haven't sold any stocks since the last video. So we're still at a negative $8.64. take home here, no change here either, since we haven't sold any stocks that had a profit. So we are still sitting at a take home of 83 cents. And what we have invested right now in our portfolio, basically, if we took everything that we have per share and how much we paid for it, we have invested $675.89. And total amount in our portfolio is $692.18. And this one here, this is basically a combine of our over under in income. This was a newer one. It was actually supposed to have the take home in it as well. So I will work on getting that fixed. And see another hiccup here over on the left side. I did scrub this before I put this on here, but clearly still missed the mark on this one. So before the next video, I'll do some more work on it. I think on this one probably would want to have something other than percentages over here, because it's saying like negative 800% down, which is not true for the income. It's $8.65. So I'll do a little bit better on that for the next video. And then this is just the second combined slide of both the how much we have invested in the total amount in the in our portfolio. And then the last slide where I showed the all the stocks that are in our portfolio. Usually that's before the updated one where we show what has been bought or sold but since we haven't done anything, this is basically just a duplicate. But one thing I did want to illustrate when we talked about the 1 month probation, pretty much everything. So you see everything from 1/31, January 31st to February 21st, and those are all hurting pretty bad. Those all dropped while I was away for all of March. I did sell some while I was gone during that time, but these have kind of been, we got locked into them. So one thing about the stock market is there are times when you just have to ride the wave, and these are stocks where we are doing just that. We are riding that wave. But going back to the over/under, you see where some of these are actually starting to come back up. So lots of improvement going on here. All of these below, from April 4th to April 25th, these are all on that 1 month probation period time. There is certain criteria where I may sell one, but we haven't hit any of that yet. So again, not a whole lot of change here this month, just really, or this week, just really just kind of watching and see what happens. Sorry about that. So with that being said, thanks again for watching this videos. I hope you all do get something out of it and seeing how this portfolio is starting to unfold. Let's hope that this week the stock market does head back in the right direction like it has over the last few weeks, and we can start showing some gains instead of some losses in our portfolio. Until we post the next one next week, hope you guys have a good week. Good luck on your day trading, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, rate, share, and subscribe. All of the above, and see you all in 1 week.